Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll go over kicking off your first training run. Once on the ATōMIZER dashboard, click in the Trainings tab and click on New Training to start a training. Give your training run a name so that you can identify it within the ATōMIZER system. Then select your credential that we created earlier. Then select a model from a list of our available models. After you've selected a model, you'll want to indicate whether the repository you want to publish your model to should be private or public. Then type in the name of the repository. It will create one on Hugging Face if it does not already exist. By default, we only publish a LoRa adapter. Toggle this switch if you'd also like the full model published to Hugging Face. Now we need to create a dataset. This is the dataset that you will train your model on. Datasets can be found on Hugging Face. Search for the dataset that you would like to use, and then make sure to copy the full path to the dataset from Hugging Face. Once you've copied this string, return to ATōMIZER and place that in the dataset name. This will load the dataset within ATōMIZER and allow you to select the subset if one exists, as well as indicate the training split you wish to use. This next part is likely the most important step to ensure a clean training run. Be sure to pay close attention. We are filling out the system instructions for training, and we provide a template for the model that you selected. These are the columns in the dataset from Hugging Face. You must select the fields that you want to use. Then you will situate those fields into the system prompt. During training, system prompts are used to input data and guide the model's learning based on the specific training task at hand. In order to properly train the model, you must adjust the textual instructions as well as fill out the template with the already selected columns from the dataset. This allows every row of data you selected from Hugging Face to neatly fall in line with our no-code training platform. For example, here, we customize the system prompt to instruct the model to only answer questions concisely using the provided supporting facts. The supporting facts corresponds to the field from the dataset that we provided into Hugging Face. Next, we need to replace the prompt field with the correct name from the dataset, which is the question column, as well as add the supporting facts column. And lucky for us, the answer column is already matching our prompt template. Once we're satisfied with the prompt template, we can proceed to the next step. In this step, we say how long we would like the training to go for. This is referred to as training epochs. The next feature is atomic speed, our proprietary algorithm that dramatically reduces time, cost, and learning complexity. As we toggle it on and off, look at the cost calculator, which indicates atomic speed will save you roughly 1/3 of your time and money for this training run. Now we click Next. In a future video, we will explain the other advanced training parameters that you could adjust. Click Submit, and your training has started. You can click on the training to check its progress. As you can see here, you can review all of the parameters that defined this training run, such as the model, dataset, number of epochs, and the prompt template. We can go over here and click on View Logs, where we will see that the training has started. In our next video, we'll check back in on the progress of this training. Thank you for watching.